Hey guys, this is the VikingBags 28L Panzer Saddlebags. Real quick, easy to install, not a whole lot of trouble. In fact, if you look behind me, you're going to have the 25-inch blade sissy bar. Fits perfectly with that, not a problem. And all your clearances that you're thinking about, they're all there. It's good to go. We have, looks like 2 saddlebags. Kind of heavy. Assistant, thank you. Oh God, wow. Hi. All right, guys. So, as you can see, it's quite a bit here. We've got 2 sets of keys. One set for the lock on top to lock your saddlebags. Another set to actually lock your quick release system to the bike. That way nobody takes off with your bag if you have anything in it that you want to keep safe. Now, each bag comes with a organizer, pretty decent. You can fit your phone in it. This is a Samsung Galaxy 24. Fits it pretty easily. You can fit whatever else you can think of in here without a problem. Your quick release system is easy to operate. And from the way it looks, let me lock that down. It sits high on the Quick Connect system, which for those who have the OEM exhaust system, which is for the Softail, which is, I believe, a 2-pipe system, one over the other, it's going to work fine. So the system is going to be relatively easy to install. These bags feel great. They're heavy. I don't see any stitching that is coming undone. It's solid. Yeah, wow, really solid. You can easily stick a 12 pack of cans in here for whenever you want to go to the beach and have something cold to drink. I wouldn't recommend using it as a cooler, but in theory, it'd be a crappy one, but it would work quite well, and I don't see any points of leak. Yes. So, for the money you get, this is actually a really good buy. And it's relatively easy to install. 1 or 2 tools and a modest amount of mechanical know-how, you'll do just fine. Our 2021 Softail Slim. We also have our Viking bag, 25-inch blade sissy bar, which you will see a link in the description, and go ahead, scan that QR code that you see at the bottom of the screen. And here are our bags that we're going to install today. Not very hard to do. I would say it's going to take about 15 minutes to do. And yeah, let's get going. So first off, we're going to have to undo the hardware that this lovely sissy bar is on, and so therefore we can actually put the saddlebags on. Word of advice, if you've Loctited this, it's going to take a little bit more power to undo that Loctite, unless you want to get fancy and start using heat. Hey guys, so while you're installing this, you want to make sure that you're flush here and here And actually here and here, you don't want these sticking out because this is where your saddlebag's gonna come out, and you don't want these intruding into that pathway. Okay. Hey guys, here's your clearance from your taillights. Actually, that's at least ½ inch, maybe ¼ inch. That's pretty good. Now, if you look underneath here, you're gonna see a good 4, 5 inches right there. Well, a good one of my fists from the bottom to the top of the exhaust system. That's gonna be perfect. All right, so as we're finishing up this little tidbit, I'm going to add just a little bit of Loctite. There we go. Always making sure that you're not intruding onto the tire. There it goes. And again, we are flush here, we're flush here, and we put our fingers inside of here so we're not actually intruding on the wheel well. That way, you know, we're not going down the road getting a pop tire. So your organizer would actually go onto your outer end here. It is actually Velcroed, which is really nice. And it goes just like that. No problem, it's secured. You could, again, whatever. You could actually probably put, let's see, a cell phone. A small water bottle could probably fit in one of the pockets. I don't know, but yeah, that's actually not too bad. Hey guys, so the only thing I would have to say you have to watch out for is that little let me see if I can get that focus. Is that little nut and bolt sticking out, and because that's going to impact your saddlebag right there. So I would have to suggest maybe finding a shallower bolt at some point in time to put there. Outside of that, all your clearances are really good and not going to have a problem whatsoever. Move the rag there. Clearance is there. Yeah, this looks really good. And if you found that you needed a 2-up seat, your passenger could put their back against this and be able to easily access the bag without a problem while moving. As you can tell, the cord right here which was unlatches your saddlebag, actually velcros to the actual quick release system. So that's not flapping in the wind and becoming frayed. Hey guys, a good way to do this is to turn your license plate sideways. Look at the distance you get here. It's not going to impact your saddlebag as much as having it the other ways. But I will have to say, to preface this, check your local laws to make sure that you can turn your license plate sideways. Some states may not allow you to do that.